Brawl-O-Weenies to the Horatorium. You're in for a treat. Don't be shy. Step right up to the head of the line.
Cut! That's great, Stu. Real span-tingling stuff.
Stu starts 30 more films. Our next star is less fishy, but smells even worse.
Cut! Let's take it from the top. Cut! That's a wrap.
The only thing that sucked in that vampire film was Mr. P. Wow, Singer.